Namaskar and a warm welcome to everyone present. It is said that a vote of thanks need not be elaborate. It can be as simple as a few heartfelt words, stitched together with genuine gratitude. Today, I stand before you with that very spirit, to express our collective appreciation. Honorable guests and dignitaries, I extend my deepest gratitude to our esteemed chairperson, Mr. Mrs. Chairperson name, whose gracious presence and insightful words have truly enriched this occasion. Your leadership and wisdom have set the tone for our gathering. Special acknowledgements. Thank you to our special guest, Mr. Mrs. Special guest name, for taking the time to join us and share your valuable perspectives. Your contribution has added immense value to this event. Organizers and support staff, my heartfelt thanks also go to the school committee, organizers, volunteers, and staff. Without your tireless efforts and dedication behind the scenes, this program would not have been possible. Your commitment has turned our plans into a memorable reality. Performers and participants, a special mention to our talented performers' names, whose captivating performances have left us all mesmerized. Your art has made this event truly special. To everyone present, lastly, I thank each and every one of you, our dear teachers, parents, friends, and all attendees, for being here, for your support, and for actively participating in this program. Your presence has transformed this occasion into a celebration of community and togetherness. As we conclude, let us carry the warmth of today's memories with us, keeping our hearts in the right relationship with the giver of all good gifts. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad.
Thank you.